Welcome, beautiful soul. Awakening to our true nature is not a destination. It is a return, a remembering, a soft homecoming to what has always lived within us. When we work with the elements and our creativity, we step back into the truth of who we are, a part of nature, a creator, a divine expression of consciousness moving through form. Creativity is not just talent or technique, it is life force. It is the same sacred intelligence that paints the sky at sunrise, shapes rivers and births galaxies. And when we create with intention, our art becomes a living prayer, a medicine, a temple of transformation. And let us remember through the elements. Earth invites us to root through presence, touching clay, building nature mandalas, working with the natural pigments reminds us that we belong. We are more than on this earth, we are of it. Water teaches us surrender and intuition. Through painting with flowing mediums, ritual bathing and honouring emotion, we soften, we listen, we trust the tidal wisdom within our bodies. Fire purifies and awakens purpose. Charcoal drawing and caustics, intention burning, all remind us of our inner flame. Fire calls us to courage, clarity and sacred transformation. Air expands our vision. Through breathwork, mantra, poetry and sound, we liberate our voice. Air clears the space for truth to move through us. And ether, it's the unseen thread binding all of life. Through meditation and intuitive creation, we awaken inner knowing and align with soul purpose. Intentional creativity is alchemy. It is the art of turning feeling into wisdom, presence into power, and imagination into sacred embodiment. And in these moments, we do not simply make art, we become art. This is the return, the remembering. May you paint with the earth, dance with the wind, speak with the fire, and dream with the water. May your creativity guide you home to yourself. In honouring the elements, you do not learn who you are, you remember.